The first thing we want to do is obtain Poyozo. Go to welistit.lifelog and click the link that says Install Preview of List-it with Lifelog. Firefox will ask you whether you want to install software from this website on your computer. Say Allow and hit Accept, and it will download the plugin and ask you to restart Firefox. Once Firefox has restarted, a new icon appears in the Firefox toolbar. This is the Poyozo toolbar button where you can access all of its features. Click it and click Getting Started. This will take you to this Getting Started view, which allows you to sign up for note synchronization with our servers. Please do this when you first install Poyozo. Then we're all set to get started. You can start creating notes by clicking on the yellow sticky note. Then you can type in the little box in the sidebar that shows up. If you want to edit a note you've taken, just click on it, and you can edit freely. You can hit Save or hit Shift-Enter to close a note. You can delete a note by hitting the little X button. If you want to change the way List-it looks, you can click the little cog and set the font size or choose a groovy wallpaper. There, much better. Next, let's go to Poyozo. Go back to that toolbar button and press it. This is the dashboard view. Let's switch to my dashboard view, which has a few more items. So this is what my actual dashboard view on my desktop looks like. The purpose of the dashboard is to remind you of the last things that you've done. So this is a list of the past 30 or 40 pages that you looked at, as well as the past 5 notes that you've taken. If you click on Recent History, however, it takes you to the entire database of all the web pages you've ever looked at. You can get to this view also through the Poyozo toolbar by clicking the Poyozo link at the very top. These are word clouds that represent a summary of all the web pages you visited. You can click on a word, and it will show you the page that the word came from. Similarly, you can click on a day, and that will pull up a detailed view of every single page that you looked at on that day. And notice that it's precise to the minute. You'll be surprised how many web pages you look at on a particular day. If you want to quickly page to the next day or the last day, you can do so by the buttons on the left and right. Poyozo displays a little scoreboard of the top websites and locations that you visited on that day. You can get a summary by clicking on the little signal bars, which shows you an aggregate number of minutes you spent on particular page types. If you wanted to search for something you saw in the past, you can just start typing it in the search box, and it will search your entire history for web pages that match the term. The final feature we'd like to highlight shows you a summary of the number of web pages that you view per day of week and per hour of day, and also shows you how much mobility you have. So if you're running this on a laptop, it will show you the number of places. This is to give you a perspective of information consumption patterns on the web and overall what times and places you're most active. And that's it for this Poyozo video. I hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.